Alright guys and gals, welcome to my first unboxing. And we're going to be unboxing this Ninja air fryer that I had to purchase just recently. And I thought it would be interesting if I opened it up to you. Opened up for you, I should say. And you put it right here. The box is a little heavy. It's okay. We're going to open up directly from Amazon. I read it off Amazon. I ordered it off of Amazon because the last one I had, it just recently happened to go out on me. And so I had to get a new one. And that's where we're at. This is not only an unboxing, but it shows you, I'm demonstrating to you as a person in a wheelchair with cerebral palsy, what we can do and how to get it done. It might take a long time, it might take a short time. Hopefully you're all having a good day. And for those of you that have clicked on this video, I appreciate it greatly. You don't want to damage this box too much. Took the box cutter and opened it up. And this is what it looks like in the, please forgive me, in the box itself, the Ninja air fryer. So let's try and get it out of here, out of the box. And we're going to pop it up on top of its side here, upside down, and we're going to, it's coming out easily. It's coming out a lot easier than I expected. And there it is. This is the, this is the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 air fryer from Ninja, obviously. And it says it includes, this is what the specs are, 1,750 watts air fryer with programming settings, customized cooking programs, 4 easy programmable settings, non-stick air frying basket, 5-quart capacity with non-stick coating for easy cleanup. Crisper plate non-stick coating for easy cleanup. Also includes a chef-inspired recipe book, 20 recipes, and cooking charts. So we know we need that. Right, guys and gals? So, again, the story on this, let me, I have to use the box cutter again. So let's get that open. And I'm excited because I have been I've been lost without my air fryer the last couple days since my last one ran out. It wasn't a Ninja. It was an air fryer that was a little bit less expensive. This one is a little bit more than the last one. Obviously, I just repeated myself. You know, before we take it out. Let me show you what it looks like before we remove it from the box. There it is. Here is the quick guide manual. Quick guide manual, sorry about that. The air fryer quick start guide. So it tells you everything you should need to know, how to cook responsibly, and all the information in this book. I'm going to read that, definitely. So you get a book, you get the instructions right here, and register. Don't forget to register. I'm going to put my finger over there. Register. You know, make sure you register. I cannot emphasize that enough. Register your product. And again, it shows you, this book shows you all the, obviously, the details that we will be surely reading of the instructions so that we can have this product retain its altogether life expectancy. So it comes in like this, so we're going to have to try to flip it out again. So let's do it like this. Easy peasy. And we're going to have to lift it up. Alright? And then we are just going to lift the box. Easier said than done. But let's try it anyway. Oh, it does come out pretty daggone easy. Look at that. It came out a lot easier. It's the only thing left in there is the styrofoam for the bottom. So now, let's easy peasy. Easy peasy. Flip it upwards. Take the styrofoam off of here. Cord. Now I've been looking at other reviewers, and we'll see about this cord. We'll see how this works. Hopefully it works fine. I don't know if it's upside down or not. No, it's right side up. Okay. So it's heavily in plastic, encased in plastic, which is good, I guess. And then, oh Lord, we'll take it off of here. Let's see what it looks like. All the, oh Lord, hope you all are having a good day. Thank you for watching again. And there it is. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. I guess there's tape in front of here. So let me turn it towards me. And let me take out one piece of tape to hold the basket in place. Seems like another one over here. There you go. Okay, we got all that tape taken off. Whoa. And, oh, that came out pretty nice. That came out a lot easier than the last one. And what you have in it, I should show you that, I'm sorry. You have the styrofoam, the cardboard in here. And I can already tell you what I like about this is the tray. The tray does not slide out, and the handle. Oh, that was another thing that I didn't like in the last one. The handle was, it had like, you took it and you turned it and it would come out. So every time I tried to shake the basket or clean it out, the handle would always rotate and fall off on me. This one does not. This one does not. That is a plus already for me. A thumbs up already. And from what I see, it has these stoppers in here. Oh, look at that. Look at, I'm going to show you this. Hopefully you can see this. Look at how slow it pops out of there. It slowly pops out. And then the bottom. Nice. Nice. Now let's see. Let's see if we can. Okay. What about this? Wait, let's see. So does it matter which side? Doesn't matter. I like the stopping motion on it. I do like the stopping, those tabs down there. That's a plus. That's definitely a plus. I don't know if I don't know if you saw this. Put this basket down here. There's stoppers right here, like rubber tabs, and all of them. And it actually is like a air brake. So you just put it in there. Easy peasy. Nice, nice. So it slides in there perfectly. This is what the inside of the Ninja looks like. Let me show you up there. The air coil is right up here. And so is the fan. Hope you can see that. And the air comes out, the hot air shoots out of this vent right here. And so right now, I love this thing without even using it. I'm really excited to use it. I do have to read a lot about this this new Ninja air fryer. And if you want to have updates as to how this operates, leave down below. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Tell me how I did on my first unboxing of anything ever in my life. Especially like, and I apologize. I know people say, don't apologize, don't apologize. But I'm going to apologize. If the camera angle is a little cockeyed, it's the first time ever. So again, I thank you for watching Wheels and Wisdom. I'm Larry. This is my first unboxing of the Ninja. Ninja. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go. The Ninja. Yeah, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1